Hi, this is Megan from DIY Domination. Have you ever wanted to learn how to make your own cleaning products at home? Picture this, a house that's not only spotless but also radiates the calming scent of your favorite essential oils. That's just one of the many perks of homemade cleaning products. Beyond their customizable nature, these DIY solutions are eco-friendly, helping you to reduce your carbon footprint one cleaning day at a time. Not to mention, they're incredibly cost-effective. With just a handful of ingredients, most of which you likely already have in your pantry, you can concoct potent cleaners that rival store-bought versions. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of creating 5 basic cleaning products. From an all-purpose cleaner to a refreshing disinfectant spray, these recipes will cover a wide range of household cleaning needs. So are you ready to embark on a journey to a cleaner, greener, and more cost-effective home? Then let's get started! By the way, if you like this video and want to see more videos with advice on sustainable living, make sure to click the subscribe button and leave a comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll do our best to reply to your comment. First up, we have the all-purpose cleaner, a versatile solution for your cleaning needs. Let's break down the ingredients for this homemade cleaning powerhouse. You'll need 1 cup of white vinegar, a natural disinfectant with acidity that cuts through grime, dirt, and bacteria. Pair this with 1 cup of water to dilute the vinegar's strong smell and acidity. Next, we have a tablespoon of baking soda. This common kitchen ingredient is a mild alkali that can cause dirt and grease to dissolve in water for easy removal. And let's not forget the 10 drops of essential oil. Essential oils like tea tree, lavender, or lemon not only give your cleaner a pleasant aroma, but also come with added antibacterial properties. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of making this cleaner. First, you'll want to combine the vinegar and water in a mixing bowl or large measuring cup. Once these are mixed, slowly add the baking soda. Be cautious with this step, as the reaction between vinegar and baking soda can cause a bit of fizzing. Continue to stir the mixture until the baking soda is completely dissolved. With your basic solution ready, it's time to personalize it with your chosen essential oil. Add 10 drops into the mixture for a fragrance that suits you best and additional cleaning properties. Finally, it's time to transfer your solution into its final home, a spray bottle. Using a funnel, carefully pour the mixture to avoid any spills. This concoction is not just cost-effective and eco-friendly, but it also allows you to control the ingredients that go into your cleaner, making it a safer choice for your home and family. So the next time you're faced with a stubborn stain or a dirty surface, reach out for this all-purpose cleaner. It's sure to do the trick, leaving your home clean, fresh, and smelling divine. Remember to shake the bottle before each use for the best results. Now you have your very own homemade all-purpose cleaner. Next, let's dive into a recipe for a streak-free glass cleaner. Creating a homemade glass cleaner is incredibly straightforward and only requires 2 main ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. All you will need is 1 cup of water and 1 cup of white vinegar. The vinegar acts as a powerful cleaning agent, cutting through grime and leaving your glass surfaces sparkling clean. To make this cleaner, simply combine your water and vinegar in a bowl. Stir the mixture until it's well combined. Now here's where you can add a personal touch. If you wish for your cleaner to have a pleasant scent, consider adding a few drops of essential oil. Lemon essential oil is an excellent choice, not only for its fresh and uplifting scent, but also for its additional cleaning properties. However, this step is entirely optional, and your cleaner will work just as well without it. Once everything is mixed thoroughly, the last step is to transfer your homemade glass cleaner into a spray bottle. Using a funnel will make this process mess-free and easy. Remember to shake well before each use to make sure the ingredients are well incorporated. This is an effective, eco-friendly, and cost-effective way to keep your glass surfaces clean. Now you can enjoy sparkly clean windows and mirrors with your homemade glass cleaner. Moving on, we're going to tackle one of the toughest areas in the house, the toilet bowl. There's no need to shy away from this task because our homemade cleaner is up to the challenge. For this, you'll need a cup of baking soda, a cup of white vinegar, and 10 drops of tea tree oil. The baking soda acts as a gentle, non-abrasive scrub that deodorizes and cleans, while the vinegar breaks down stains and mineral deposits. But the star of the show here is tea tree oil. This essential oil is renowned for its powerful antibacterial properties, making it perfect for an area that's all about hygiene. So, let's get started. First, sprinkle the baking soda into the toilet bowl. It might feel a bit like you're seasoning a dish, but trust me, it's worth it. Next, pour the vinegar over the baking soda. you'll see it fizz and bubble, a sign that the cleaning action has started. Now, add the 10 drops of tea tree oil. This will not only boost the cleaning power, but also leave a fresh scent. Let the mixture sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives it time to work its magic on those stubborn stains. Finally, grab your toilet brush and give it a good scrub, then flush. With this homemade toilet bowl cleaner, your bathroom will be smelling fresh and clean in no time. Now let's create a homemade floor cleaner that's gentle on your floors but tough on dirt. This cleaner is not only effective but also easy to make and environmentally friendly. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 gallon of warm water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid Castile soap. Castile soap is a plant-based soap that's gentle yet effective, perfect for cleaning your floors without leaving any harmful residue. Now here comes the fun part. Grab a bucket and mix the warm water and white vinegar together. Vinegar is a natural deodorizer and cleaner that can tackle a variety of household grime. Next, add in your liquid Castile soap. This soap will enhance the cleaning power of your mixture, ensuring your floors are squeaky clean. But wait, we're not done yet. Here's where you can get creative. If you want to give your cleaner a fresh scent, consider adding 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Eucalyptus is a great choice. It has a fresh, invigorating scent that can make your entire home smell like a spa. Plus, it has natural antibacterial properties, making it an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal. Once you've added your essential oil, stir the mixture well. And voila! You've just made your very own homemade floor cleaner. To use, simply mop your floors with the solution. You'll find that this cleaner does an excellent job of removing dirt and grime, leaving your floors looking shiny and new. Remember, homemade cleaners are not only cost-effective and eco-friendly, but they also allow you to control the ingredients that go into your cleaning products. This means no more worrying about harsh chemicals or irritants that can harm your family or the environment. With this floor cleaner, your floors will shine like never before. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy the satisfaction of a clean, fresh home, all thanks to your homemade floor cleaner. Finally, we're making a homemade disinfectant spray to keep your home germ-free. This concoction is perfect for those high-touch areas that need a good clean. Let's jump right into the ingredients. First off, you'll need 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. This acts as the main germ-busting ingredient. Next, we're adding 1 cup of water to dilute the alcohol just enough so it's not too harsh on your surfaces. Now for the stars of the show, our essential oils. We're using 10 drops of tea tree oil, a powerful antiseptic known for its germ-killing properties. And to complement the tea tree, we're also adding 10 drops of lavender oil. Not only does lavender oil smell divine, but it also has antimicrobial properties, making it a great addition to our disinfectant spray. Now, let's get to making our spray. In a spray bottle, mix the rubbing alcohol with the water. Then, add in the tea tree and lavender oils. Give it a good shake to ensure everything is well combined. Remember to shake well before each use to keep those oils mixed in. This is a homemade disinfectant spray that's not only effective, but also smells amazing. It's an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to keep your home clean and germ-free. Congratulations! You've just made your own disinfectant spray. Now you have 5 easy-to-make, eco-friendly cleaning products that not only keep your home spotless, but also go easy on your pocket. Remember, these homemade mixtures have the power to replace most of your store-bought cleaners. Just ensure to label them and store in a cool, dark place for longevity. We've covered all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner, floor cleaner, and disinfectant spray. So why wait? Start your eco-friendly cleaning journey today. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Here's to a cleaner, greener home. If you liked this video, then make sure to also watch these videos for more DIY sustainable living tips and tricks.